guide you through how to appear offline on Instagram in the easiest and most reliable way. First thing to do is to open Instagram and tap your profile icon, then tap the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Messages and Story Replies, then open Show Activity Status. Turn off activity status so people can no longer see when you were last active. Right below it, also turn off Show when you are active together, which hides your online status even inside direct messages and conversations. To stay even more private, go back and open Who Can See Your Content, then turn off Show Read Receipts so people won't know when you've opened their message. Next, tap Account Center, choose your information and permissions, and disable any activity related syncing that may show when you're active across connected apps like Facebook. You can also turn off push notifications for messages and calls so you can check inbox without triggering activity signals. And finally, force close Instagram and reopen it to make sure all privacy changes apply. After doing all these steps, your Instagram will show you as completely offline. No active badge, no active timestamps, and no online indicators anywhere, even while you are browsing the app normally.